Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the CSR2 racing game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CSR2 game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home page. Now if you don't already have an account, you will first be taken through the tutorial levels to teach you the basic information about the game. Once you have completed the basic tutorial level and own your very first vehicle, you will have already been logged in using either your Facebook or your Google Play Games account. However, if you continued as a guest, then from the main menu, tap on the right arrow key at the left side, and this will open up your options menu. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and from this page, you will see the Google Play as well as the Connect to Facebook option. Go ahead and click on either one of the options that you choose. And if you chose Google Play, it will directly link to your Google Play account and sign you up. If you click on it Connect to Facebook, you will simply be asked to log into your Facebook account, and if you have already logged into Facebook, you can click on the Continue As button in order to allow access onto your account for sign up. And now, once you allow access using the Continue button, you will be signed up to your account, and you will also get some rewards as a sign up bonus. Tap on the OK button to claim your bonus, and now you will see a logout button instead of sign up, which means that you have already been signed up to your new account. And now you can start enjoying your game, and all of your progress will be saved into this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the CSR2 racing game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.